Go from day job to DJ with CoDOT ILS. With an all-in-one compact carry case, you can add color anywhere you go. Take control wherever you are. Hit a button and change your day. CoDOT ILS goes where larger fixtures can. With a magnetic base that grips to metal and a threaded insert that turns a clamp into a light stand. CoDOT ILS adds up to everything you need to put color in its place. A pack of 4 with 2 interchangeable beam shaping lenses and 2 USB-C cable lengths. Do more than light a dance floor. Do it with CoDOT ILS. Built-in D-PHY for wireless DMX and ILS control. Sync with ILS series fixtures to create your light show as easy as 1, 2, 3. CoDOT ILS. Grab compact color and go.